Hi, this is Chris with Big Tex Trailer Sales. We got this new 25 GN Big Tex flatbed trailer in, and I want to show you some of the new features that are on the trailer. One of the new things for the trailer is these load lights that are on the back. The new Demco coupler and the step up now under the trailer drops down, and when you're traveling, just pick it back up and stick it in there. This particular 25 GN, when we ordered it with the hydraulic jacks on it. Pump is inside of the box. Have this handy dandy little controller. No more cranking the jack. One other feature is the trailer now comes with a step. So if you're getting out of your truck, you can step down on the trailer easily. Pull-out steps are on each side of the trailer. And this is the new latching system for the mega ramps, which keeps it pretty tight. So you're not going to get a lot of that bounce noise you did before. And the trailer does come standard with a spare tire on it now.